Good morning students. Today we study again multiplication by 2-digit number. Again repeat the multiplication by 2-digit number. First, for example, 3728 multiplied by 20. In previous class we also discussed this multiplication by 20. First you multiply 3728 multiplied by 20. Okay. Then first you multiply the ones place. We start with the ones place. 0 8 ja 0 8 ja 0 0 8 ja 0 0 2 ja 0 0 7 ja 0 0 3 ja 0. Then the ones place we multiplication is here complete. Then what do you put in previous class we discussed? What do you put in ones place? 0 put. Then we start in tens place. 2 8 ja 16 carrying 1. 2 2 ja 4 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 7 ja 14 carrying 1. 2 3 ja 6 6 plus 1 7. Then next step addition. Okay. 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 0 6, 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 0 4 7. This number we take 0 also take in together. Now this number I change 3728 first I take only 2. First I take only 2. Then I write 2 8 ja 16 carrying 1. 2 2 ja 4 4 plus 1 5. 2 7 ja 14 carrying 1. 2 3 ja 6 6 plus 1 7. Here our product is 7456. Then I write here 7456. How many 0 here left? 1 0 here left. I put this 0 in the right hand side of the product. Now both answers are same. Look here, this answer and this answer are same. This answer, both answers are same. Yes, you do this method. In zeros we multiply, you follow this method. Again one question. 4925 multiplied by 40. First you multiply 4925 multiplied by 4. In the side of the notebook multiply by 4. Okay. Then now you multiply 4 5 ja 20. Then 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10 carrying 1. 4 9 ja 36, 36 plus 1 37. Then 4 4 ja 16, 16 plus 3 19. Then this you write here 19700. Then this 0 you also write here, right hand side. Understand you? Now how to solve the solving problems? story sum, word problems, story sum or word problems. Then some students not understand the word problems. Listen, WH words are not come in statement. Find is not come in statement. What are the words not come in statement? How much, how many. Then find, these words are not come in statement. Then one question I give you. For example, the cost of one pen is rupees 48. Find the cost of 7 pence. Here look, the cost of one given, one pen. The things, any things come here. One pen given. The cost of one things given. You find the cost of 7 pence. Many find. One given, many find. This is multiplication. Understand you? One given in question, a come or one come. One or a. One means a means ek. Then here these words come. One given, many find. You multiply this sum. Okay. Then what is the statement here? Solution. First you write the solution. The cost of one pen, the cost of one pen is equal to, the cost of one pen is equal to rupees 48. Second line, the cost of how many pens? 7 pens is equal to 48 rupees. 48 multiply 7. Then you multiply this. 48 multiply 7. Then 7 8 ja 56. Then 5. 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 5 33. Rupees 336. Then the final answer is hands. What is the spelling of hands? H-E-N-C-E. H-E-N-S not write you. H-E-N-C-E. Hands. Rupees 336 is the cost of 7 pence. Understand you? One more question. The cost of a apple, a mango. The cost of a mango rupees 45. Find the what? What is the cost of 9 mangoes? Question. First you read the question. The cost of a mango. A means ek mango. The cost of a mango rupees 45. The cost of one mango. Then what is the cost of 9 mangoes? What is the cost of 9? One given, many find. This is multiplication. Okay. What is the statement and solution? What is the solution first line? Read the question and say the statement. The cost of a mango. The cost of a mango is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 45. Then second line, the cost of 9 mangoes. The cost of 9 mangoes, rupees 45 multiply 9. First you multiply this. 45 multiply 9. Okay. 9 5 ja 45 carrying 4. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 4 40. Then rupees 405. What is the final statement? Final answer? Answer. Which way do we use? Hence. Hence, rupees 405 is the cost of 9 mangoes. Understand you? Solving problems? All students? Yes, thank you.